The power of perspective. The donkey in the well. A farmer's donkey accidentally falls into a deep, dry well. The animal cries piteously for hours as the farmer tries to figure out what to do. Finally, he decides the donkey is old, the well is dry, and it's not worth the effort to save him. He sadly decides to bury the donkey to put it out of its misery. The farmer and his neighbor begin to shovel dirt into the well. As the first shovel of dirt hit the donkey's back, the animal cries out in fear, but then, to everyone's astonishment, the donkey quits down. The farmer looks down and is amazed. With every shovel of dirt that hits its back, the donkey is doing something incredible. It shakes the dirt off and takes a step on the growing mound beneath its feet. They continue to shovel and the donkey continues to shake and step up. Soon the donkey steps over the edge of the well and trots away free and triumphant. The viral message, the moral: life will shovel dirt on you. The trick to getting out is to shake it off and take a step up. Every trouble you face can be a stepping stone.